Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. This is the Jaguar F-Type R, and this is by Majorette, and this is from their racing car series. So let's get it unboxed and see how it looks. Okay, let's take the card out as well. Okay, so here is the card. It's a closer look of the card. So this one also I bought from online and from the website Tiny Town. So you can just go to their website and check it. So they have some good collections there. So let's get to the car itself. Okay, the color looks really nice. It's a glittering orange and it has openable doors as well. It's the look of the interior. It has some great detailing to it, and as always, the tires are made of plastic since it's since it's not a deluxe edition car, it's the racing edition, so the tires are made of plastic, and it has some suspension as well. This is really nice, and the tail lights are actually painted, but still it looks really amazing. Here is a suspension in action. Okay, so headlights are actually made of some kind of fiber, as you can see. So that's it guys, that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, hit subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support my channel. So it would be helping me to put out a lot more great content like this. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.